Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to sell Bitcoin in Transak. So to get started with the quick and the straightforward guide, so the first thing to do is to visit the Transak Sell page, or probably go to the official website, which is the transak.com/sell/BTC to start the process. Then from there you have to enter the sale details, which is the amount. Input the amount of the Bitcoin you wish to sell. Then from there select your desired fiat currency, which is your USD, your Euro, or GBP. Then after that you have to select your preferred payout method, which can be bank transfer, or you can also use a Visa Direct, which is for real-time card withdrawal within over 161 country. Then with this bank transfer you can enter your bank details and proceed. Then after that you have to complete your KYC verification. So if you are a first-time user, you will need to verify your identity by providing the proof of identity, which is your passport, driver's license, and proof of address, which together with your utility bills and bank statement. And also you provide a selfie for official verification. Then after that you will be provided with a wallet address to send your Bitcoin. Then use the wallet or exchange to send the specified amount of BTC to this address. Then enter the transferring by clicking I have paid on Transak. Then after that you have to, once Transak confirm your transaction, the fiat money will be credited to your choosing payout method. Processing time may vary based on the payment method, and also bank transfer typically proceed within 1 to 2 business days, and Visa Direct offers a real-time withdrawals. So that's it. Find the video helpful, turn the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.